Welcome to the Allplan Quickstart lesson, Formwork Planning. In this lesson, we're going to start from the model created by the architect. Should you want to create this model yourselves, then you should start with Lesson 1 from the Allplan Architecture Quickstart. The model may look nice and realistic, but we engineers need to be able to isolate the structure of elements from a complex model. Allplan offers clear and powerful tools that control and filter information. One tool is the building structure, where all information is stored in separate drawings. This allows the engineers to deactivate surrounding and furnishing and to maintain only the relevant drawings. These drawing combinations can be saved and loaded as favorites in order to be more efficient. Now we can visualize the building model only, but at a closer look, we still have wooden finishes and other architectural elements like windows, and we would like to clean these as well. To do that, we have to open the Layers tab and change the status of the layers. We will look for non-structural layers and we will make them invisible. It's easier just to load the favorite that contains only the structural elements, and we get instantly a cleaned model perfect for structural engineers. We open the building structure and add a new structural level. After renaming the drawing file to Construction General, we assign drawing file 1190 to it and give it the name Axis Grid. Finally, we set drawing file 1190 active and close the building structure. To create the axis grid, we call the construction role and select the axis grid function on the Construct tab. In the palette that now appears, we load a favorite that already contains all the parameters for the axis grid. Then we click with the right mouse button into the lower left corner of the wall of the building, select the midpoint via the context menu, and click on the opposite corner. Creating a view is easy. We call the role for Engineering and select the Create View function on the Reinforcement tab. In the palette that appears, we click on the location from which we want to view the model. If I click in to the west of the building, Allplan generates a view from the west. I can define any text for the view heading. I have opted for View From as additional text. Now let's repeat the whole thing. We choose Create View, and this time click south of the building. Now we can place the south view and the axis grid. These are orthogonal views. Creating a free view is just as easy. Either we click on a point between the main perspectives and place them in the floor plan, or we rotate the model in the isometric view to the desired position, select Projection on the Create View palette, and use the pipette to accept the coordinates of this projection. The result will be placed in the floor plan. Although these views have a clear and clean appearance, we engineers have to work with sections to plan structures in detail. The creation of a section takes place in two steps. In the first step, we define the path of the section, and after pressing Escape in the second step, we define the viewing direction and the depth of the section. The automatic dimensioning tools allow you to launch a line that will measure all intersecting structural elements. It works perfectly under any angle. Another brilliant tool is the wall dimensioning. This tool will measure the walls and the openings, including the heights and general dimensions. Any element in Allplan is full of attributes, and just by right-clicking, we can place associative labels that display the desired information. Any changes to the 3D model will update the labels automatically. To prepare a layout, we will go to the Layout Editor. Setting the page is very intuitive, and we can simply load the favorite according to our office standard. The favorite will set up the border, the folding lines, and even a smart title block. We'll insert the drawing we previously created on the paper space. The title block will contain project, drawn information, and an attribute that are configured in the Office standard. To export this drawing for our client, we will click on Export to PDF. All information is exported perfectly, just like we previewed in Allplan Layout. In our next lesson, we will learn how to generate parametric 3D reinforcement for our model.